This video is a continuation of lesson number 3, Religious Synthesis, page number 12, Mahanubhav Panth. In the 13th century, Chakradhar Swami founded the Mahanubhav Panth in Maharashtra. This sect preaches devotion to Krishna. Sri Govind Prabhu was the guru of Chakradhar Swami. The follower of Chakradhara included men and women belonging to all caste and creed. He supported equality. He never discriminated between the men, women, and even caste and creed. He traveled to all parts of Maharashtra preaching in Marathi. Then only the people will understand what he was preaching. He performed Marathi instead of Sanskrit, because if he explained in Sanskrit, even the Marathi people can't understand. This leads to development of the Marathi language. Many works were composed in Marathi. This sect mainly spread in the Vidarbha and Marathwada regions of Maharashtra. Ruddipur in Vidarbha is an important place for people of this sect. This sect had reached up to far away region like the Punjab and Afghanistan. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikhism and the first guru of Sikh. His work has to be mentioned as a great attempt at religious synthesis. He visited the holy places of both Hindus and Muslims. He had also visited Mecca. He realized that the feeling of devotion is common everywhere. Wherever he visited, he understood the people's feeling of devotion is common everywhere. He taught that all persons should be treated equally. He explained everyone that equality should be there in each and everybody's life. His teachings aimed at achieving Hindu-Muslim unity. Wherever he taught that equality brings life peaceful, in his teaching, people understood, they achieved Hindu-Muslim unity. He emphasized caste behavior. He emphasized chaste behavior. Many people were influenced by the teachings of Guru Nanak. The number of his followers increased day by day. The followers of Guru Nanak are known as Sikh, Shishyas, meaning disciples. The Adi Grantha, also known as the Guru Granth Sahib, is the holy book of the Sikh. The Adi Grantha includes compositions by Guru Nanak, Sant Namdev, Sant Kabir, and other Sant. Guru Nanak was succeeded by 9 gurus of the Sikh. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th guru of the Sikh. After Guru Gobind Singh, Sikhs regard the Guru Granth Sahib as a guru. It means after Guru Gobind Singh, Sikh people followed the Guru Granth Sahib as their guru. As per the orders of Guru Gobind Singh, the Sufi sect. This is a sect in Islam. The Sufi son believed that God is full of love and the only way to reach Him is through love and devotion. Their main teachings are love for all living beings, meditation, and simple living. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Sheikh Nijamuddin Awliya were great Sufi sons. The teachings of Sufi son led to unity in the Hindu and Muslim communities. Sufi music has made valued contribution to Indian music. The path of bhakti taught by the sant was easy to follow for the common people. The bhakti movement was open to all men and women. The sant expressed their thought of languages of the people. The common people found them close to their heart. The bhakti movement has contributed greatly to the making of the Indian culture. Students, complete the exercise. If any doubt, call me, otherwise text me. Thank you.